What's going on, everybody? Al here, Street Sense. I'm back. It's been a while since I did a video. I'm gonna say about 3 weeks or so. So I took a little vacation, a little break, and now I'm back. And what better way to kick off Street Sense than this special video? I'm excited. I came home and there was a package waiting. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video. It's the first time I'm doing an unboxing. All these years I never did an unboxing. This is the first time. This is exciting. This is gonna be epic. So I'm gonna share my unboxing with you. Let's do it. Let's unbox this package. Where do you think it's from? Well, you already know from the title. This is from the House of Creed. It's a big package, heavy package. Look at it, sealed. Opening it up. Take the tape off. Open the tape with the scissors. Let's see if I got it. Nope. Unboxing. This is raw footage, right? Raw unboxing video. Okay. Bear with me because it's taped really well. Okay, I got it now. Use the blade. All right, the box is open. Some foam and some information. Check it out. It smells really good. I can already smell it coming through. Wow. Look at that. Look at this packaging. Wow. Heavy. Check it out. Let's move the box out the way and show everybody what it's about. Check that out. Check it out. Special box. How do you open this bad boy? Let's see. It's like a drawer. It opens up. And there we go. Wow. This is amazing. Creed Aventus 10-year anniversary. Check out that bottle. I will feature this on Street Sense. Take a look at the info. It says, let's see, legendary fragrance, the bottle for the first time. Limited edition, anniversary design, iconic Aventus, Irwin Creed attention. 100 ml opaque bottle using classic black and silver colorways. It's a special occasion. Look at that bottle. Really classy, really nice. Amazing. Creed, they always come out with top-notch presentation, and I respect that. So there you have it, my unboxing. Creed Aventus 10-year anniversary, special bottle, special packaging. Wow, look at this packaging, it's amazing. Thank you so much to the House of Creed for sending me this really special gift, because, you know, Aventus means a lot to me. It's my go-to fragrance, it's my signature scent. And to add this to the collection means a lot. Once again, thank you to the House of Creed. Video coming soon, another video coming soon. Aventus 10-year anniversary video coming soon. So once again, check it out. Take a look. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.